Okay, this video is on how to replace a rear view mirror assembly for the driver's side Mercedes. This one is a 2004 ML W163 chassis model. It's actually very easy. So what you can do is what you do is disconnect this panel on top here like this. Use one hand because the other one is okay. Here it is, and it has a clip, and you lift upwards, and here it is right there. Make sure that you re-engage that tooth in there when the time comes. And the hardware is it's all right here. You have a 8mm bolt and two 8mm nuts. This plug here has actually two plugs on the inside, and they're numbered in case you end up disconnecting and not knowing how to go connect it again. And then essentially the whole unit just slides right out. Just be careful with this particular water seal right here. And what you'll want to do is once the whole assembly is out, you'll want to clean the surfaces for better contact and better hydro repellents. And that's essentially it. Then once you plug it in, put your key in, make sure that the mirror works properly and everything works as it's supposed to before you put it all back together. And then put this back in like this, and that's it. Oh, well, what I did do, actually, I removed this panel also just to facilitate access to the plugs, but that's just me. And how to remove these panels, there's plenty of other videos on YouTube. Okay.